Ooh. Guess y'all want to fall down a little bit. How y'all doing today? What's going on with you? What you got planned for today? Y'all believe it or not, I'm up in here warming up me the last little bit of my chicken and vegetable soup for breakfast. Well, it's 10 o'clock, so I guess that might well be brunch or lunch or breakfast or something. But anyway, getting a little late start. I've been up a while, just been back there goofing off, watching YouTube, TikTok, and all that good jazz. So what y'all got going on for this fine Saturday morning, fine Saturday day? Amber went to get her nails done. I was thinking about going to the Alice in Wonderland, but she said no. Are y'all prepping for the holiday meal festivities? Are you cooking? I'm actually going to go down to Cozy Corner and get some ribs with no sauce. Amber wants to learn how to barbecue, and she said that she would do it, which is fine. I'll teach her. I don't have a problem with that because I can always put it up in the freezer. But just in case she changes her mind, I'm not going to be doing the work. I'm going to sit and let her do it so she can learn, teach her how to start the fire if she decides to do so. But, yeah, I'm going to go in just so I can have some ribs just in case. And I'm just going to open up me some Gloria Green. I ain't finna be doing that much of nothing, to be honest with you. Y'all, I told y'all, let me show y'all. I finally got me some pickled okra. I'm gonna show y'all something else I've got to try too. I got me some pickled okra, and I got these, y'all. These Italian vegetables. Let me open up both of them, and I'm gonna try them. You know I do this so I can open up the jar. Oh, I got it. I got both of them. I got a fork here. Let me try this. This got cauliflower. I don't know what else in the cauliflower on top. Let me try it. Let me try to pickle cauliflower, y'all. What y'all thinking? This the name of it, y'all. That's quite tasty. I like it. This peppers. And look like carrots in there. They down at the bottom though. This is good, y'all. Let me show y'all again. Let me turn that off. That's good. I like it. Let me try to pickle okra. And this brand is by Talk of Texas. Get the stalk out. It's got a unique taste. I don't think this is something I'll eat by itself. It's good. You gotta like okra though. But what I would do, I would eat this like with my greens and my cabbage and stuff. I think it'll make a good kick to that, a good piece. It's only 5 calories, y'all. Very good, very tasty. Very tasty. Let me get my soup going over here. My soup. What y'all eat for breakfast? Are y'all eating a traditional breakfast? Or are you just eating what's in the refrigerator. Like me. I actually got enough in here for later on if I want some. It's one more chicken wing down here. The soup was really quite tasty. Y'all, that is so good. Y'all, if y'all hadn't tried this, I'll link the recipe. I have this on here. I have the recipe on here, and I'll link it down in the description. So if y'all ever decide y'all want to try to make y'all some, I think I'm going to go sit out here on the porch and eat my soup. I got my nightgown on still and my robe. But ain't nobody back there, I don't guess. I don't guess they are. Anyway. So good, so good. Yeah, y'all. So, if you like okra, definitely get these. And this is so good. Again, you gotta like cauliflower too. Look like some pearl onions is down there and some banana peppers as well. Of course, I didn't go down that far, but that cauliflower, pickled cauliflower, I never would imagine it. It is really good. Anyway, I just wanted to stop in this morning and tell y'all good morning. And y'all know I'm silly. Y'all know I'm silly. I was listening to the theme music, y'all. Hold on one second. Do y'all ever watch old TV shows and be just jamming to the theme song music when it's coming on? I remember when I was a little girl, when some certain shows came on, I would run to the TV. Y'all remember this? Dun, 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 dun. And then this one. And I used to love moving on up to the east side. We finally got a piece of the pie. And what's the carol that used to go? I'm so glad we had this time together. Y'all tell me some of yours that you like the best. Anyway, y'all let me know y'all theme music that y'all like. And sing it for me, or sing it a little bit for me. Yeah, sing it right now, right now, right now. And guess which one of those shows that I was humming. Anyway, I want you to know you're loved. I love you, but God truly loves you the most. Remember to always be kind to yourself and others. Be joyful and be blessed. And y'all just have a beautiful, blessed, and happy Saturday. Love you. Bye. I'll see y'all tomorrow for Sunday's dinner. Tell me what y'all cooking good if y'all just getting ready for the holidays and doing it big. Love you. Bye.